Oh my gosh, please breathe. Kailangan ng power. I'm so hungry. There's still no power and I'm stuck with Kian. What did we do? What's that? That's your game. You made this.
Yeah.
Don't step on my things, Kian.
And our game did not work and we forgot to vlog our game.
Guys, wala pa rin power and super baho ko na. Gusto ko mag-swimming pero magwawala yung pamangkin ko dahil bawal siya mag-swimming. So, ayun. Guys, tinan nyo. This is the pimple I told you about a few days ago. Ayan siya. Hindi pa siya pumuputok kaya super ganyan niya. Kailangan niyang pumutok. Tapos siguro after mga a week, mawawala din siya kung lalagyan ko ng gamot na sinabi ko sa skincare routine ko. I'll put the link here or here. I don't know where, but I'll put the link of my skincare routine. But 1 week lang siguro okay na to. Basta pumutok lang siya. Siguro today or tomorrow puputok na to. Sakit talaga. Tapos nag-a-atching pa ako. So, nagaganon ko. Ang sakit. Super. Ay, guys, nababaliw na ako. Ang tagal na ng power. My God. Ang init, guys. Wala nang charge yung fan ko. Ano ba to? Aray! May power na at ito yung aftermath. Okay, I have to clean up the sheets and go back to work.
Now you're falling apart. Soon giving in this time, 'cause we're falling apart.
Yan guys, naligo na ako and now nag-aayos ako for another vlog. Sit down vlog. So, sa mga nanood ng stories ko today, alam nila kung ano tong vlog kong tong isushoot today. And there. Eto. First time kong mag-mascara ulit now, guys, kasi ang tagal kong naka-new launch lashes. Medyo magpapahinga lang ako mga 2 weeks, ganun, para magamit ko yung mga cleansing oils ko. Kasi bawal mag-cleansing oil pag naka-lashes ka. Naka-false eyelashes ka. So, ngayon na wala na yung false eyelashes ko, ayan, magagamit ko ang aking mga cleansing oil. Super nasanay na ako naka-false eyelashes, na ngayong di na ako naka-false eyelashes, parang super hindi ako confident lumabas. Pero yun, I'm trying my best to not think like that. Magamit ko yung Tevian mascara. Ang ganda pala nito kasi meron siyang pang lower lashes. Oh my gosh. So happy. And ito pa, gamit ako ulit ng Tevian. This is for the eyebrow. But I don't do so much. Hindi ko kinakapalan kasi nagmumukha akong Betty Lapea. Betty Lapea. Betty Lapea. Yan guys, natapos na. Ano na lang. Blush on na lang. Papatuyo na lang ako ng buhok and then we will start filming for today. And there. May nagganap ba today? Wala yata masyadong nagganap today. But there. Let's go and film when my hair is dry and let's see if dinner is ready. Dapat hindi mo na ako nag-lipstick. Wow! You have donuts. Oh, it's something fell, Kian.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's all what your mom wants. I want the other one.
Can I see this?
I want the honey glaze one. Oh, oops. Can I have this one?
Don't touch any.
Give me one. Yes, thank you.
I hurt that so much.
Tell everyone, kain na.
Hi guys.
Kain na. You tell everyone, kain na.
Oh, sige, wait.
Sam.
The one that's...
Yan guys, tapos na kami kumain. And now, magbe-video na ako. Hindi ko alam kung magbe-video na ako or upload ko na tong video na to. Marami bang naganap ngayong araw na to? Parang walang naganap ngayong araw na to. Ay guys, meron akong achievement today. Naayos ko na ang aking skincare drawer. So, there guys, ito yung mga 4 keeps ko. Yung others, nandoon na yung mga pamimigay ko at mga i-review pa. But here are the things na 4 keeps. So, I have my Innisfree here. Meron tayong Nature Republic. Meron tayong Surgy Light. This one is from Surgy Light. Pero ito for the underarms. Tapos ito yung tambourines ko. Nilagay ko muna dyan. And nandito lahat ng mga skincare devices. And ito ang mga ginagamit ko talaga. Itong nasa basket. Yung ginagamit ko now. So, there. Ito lang. Konti lang ang aking skincare. Dati, super puno ang aking kondo ng skincare. Pero, nagpapaka-minimalist tayo today. And, yung sa makeup natin, ito din, super minimal na lang niya. Dati, siguro mapupuno ko tong 4. Pero, now, ito na lang. I'm keeping the ones na lagi ko lang talaga ginagamit. So, makikita niya puro Tevian lang yan. 3CE, Benefit, Sunnies, and yun, super konti na lang ng brands. Dati, nagtatry ako ng super daming brand. Pero, eto, meron tayong bagong products na tinatry. 2 mist. It's from Lux Organics, tsaka Makeup Forever. Pero, nag-aaral pa ako mag-makeup bago ko sila gamitin talaga. And, ito ang mga makeup removers natin. Pharmacy na cleansing balm. And, meron akong cleansing oil na Nacific na cleansing oil. So, yan. Yan na lang. Ang liit lang ng collections ko. Super duper achievement yon guys. Kasi super maximalist kong tao. And nagpapaka-minimalist na ako na tao. So, there guys. Mag-film na ako. Gagamitin ko lang itong share ko. Dito ako mag-film sa kurtina. So, guys, ayan. Nag-film na tayo. Medyo madaming ganap dyan. Ayokong pakita ko anong film ko. Pero, may film tayo today na makikita nyo tomorrow. But, there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Medyo walang ganap today. Pero, I still wanted to take you with me in my day today. Dahil, we're everydates. Lagi tayong nagde-date everyday. So, ayan, ang corny ko, girl. Tomorrow, madami akong ganap tomorrow. Pero makikita niyo yung video tomorrow. Yung film ko today. Tapos yung video na i-film ko tomorrow. Baka sa Thursday nyo na makikita. Tapos, magbe-break ako ng isang araw. Kaya medyo nag-iipon ako ng videos now. Because pahinga lang lately dahil, guys, nakikita niyo ba tong pimple na to? Super grabe ng allergic rhinitis ko. Lalo na pag nag-start na yung 10 p.m. Super atching na ako ng atching. Tapos hanggang umaga na yung 10 to 10. Ang lala talaga. Kailangan ko lang maggamot at this time. So, there, magagamot na ako and matutulog ako maaga kasi I'm trying my best to wake up early and be productive. Being my Virgo self, I really need to plan my day. So, pag hindi ako magigising bukas ng umaga at may plano ako, magagalit ako sa sarili ko. So, ayun guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. So, thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow, every day.